Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert your two SIM card and memory card in your Huawei P40 Lite E. To do this, just slide the key into the little hole on the left side of your phone here. Press it. And now remove the place for the SIM card. And just insert it here, which we have SIM card 1 is gonna be here, and SIM card 2 gonna be placed here. And of course, if you have your memory card, just insert here, and now slide into this little hole all three cards. Just like that, and that's it. Now phone gonna be see your two SIM card here, and of course memory card also. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.